Welcome back to, we're grilling some stuff today, whatever the show's called. And last up, halibut. And look how beautiful this halibut is. Wow. Do you see that fly? That's the downside of this weather. Doors open, flies. I'm gonna just keep this at the ready just in case he comes back. Then I could be like, cat-like reflexes, I know. I scare myself sometimes too. So, one of the beautiful things about fish is it cooks quickly. But what we're gonna put with this, I'm not even gonna start until this goes on the grill. Nice, huh? This gets only 3 things right now. My usual lineup is a little olive oil, nice amount of kosher salt for both, and then a bunch of pepper. It's thinner here. It's gonna take less time than here. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually gonna cut these guys. Cook in 2 different shifts. Tongs, come, let's go. Okay, hot grill. We're gonna go like this. We're going this way first. Ready? So nice, so nice. And then these little guys. The key to grilling fish is to put it down and to leave it. Don't mess with it. Don't be flipping and flopping and turning and jamming things underneath it. You gotta let it get to where it starts to release itself, and that's when it's almost ready to be released. So good. All right, we gotta go make our stuff, let's go. So here's the plan. The plan is that we're gonna make an olive tapenade. And tapenade, an olive tapenade is basically just olives and some capers and a little parsley chopped up. We're gonna use these guys, black olives, just your everyday garden variety black pitted olives. But I don't want them with all the liquid. I think calamatas might be the way that people normally go with these, with tapenade. I'm not really sure, but I know what I want. These just have to be like chopped well. Nice, nice. I'm a machine, I'm a machine. I need to flip the fish. Time to flip. By the way, the mashed potato pizza has gone to both Shannon and Michelle's like top 5 of the things we've made. Am I right?
Yeah.
All right, so here's the little guys. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. Jeez. That's what you want. That's what you want. Come on, big boys. Don't do this to me. After everything I said and did and want from life. Come on. I said, don't mess around with it. Leave it, let it stick, let it do its thing. What'd you do? You had to go and make me look bad. I'm trying to make it all happen without burning anything. Okay, so the olives are gonna go in here. Boop. Capers. Feeling the pressure a little bit, feeling the pressure. Right. Capers in. Some parsley. Same deal here. Oh, get up. My hand's wet. Parsley in. Last 2 things. Olive oil. Oh, sorry. Salt. Not too much. Pepper. This is what I'm talking about. That's fresh, man. Good fish. All right. Did I say this pizza was good? You know, the one day, oh my God.
I hate you.
Oh God. Yeah, I'm disappointed. I didn't want that to happen. But I'm gonna go with it because what choice do I have? And the adult thing to do is just try and mask it with the tapenade that we've made. And then we'll do this, right there. Look, now we're talking. Wait, a little drizzle of really good olive oil now. Okay, now this is gonna be halibut madness. And it looks perfect, doesn't it? A little bite in the back. Little piece here with some of the tapenade right there. Drag through a little bit of the oil.